Welcome to this week's live session, March 21st, 2025. Today, I'm taking our Paula dress from pattern to finished garment, showing how our 3/4 draping technique transforms into a beautiful wearable piece. If you've been curious about the construction process behind designer quality garments, this demonstration reveals all the secrets. Watch as I cut and construct this elegantly simple yet visually striking dress using rich, red ponte romanette fabric. The magic of this design lies in its quarter-circle front flare and unique sleeve construction, creating a flattering silhouette that works beautifully for various body types. I'll guide you through my strategic decision to use a quarter-circle rather than half-circle flare at the center front for better drape with medium-weight fabrics. You'll see the entire construction process unfold, from precise pattern cutting and notch marking to the final fitting adjustments. The beauty of this dress lies in its deceptive simplicity. While it appears complex, you'll discover how the construction follows a logical sequence. Shoulders first, then French darts for elegant shaping, followed by side seams. I'll demonstrate real-time problem solving as I make adjustments to the sleeve area for optimal fit and movement. I'll share insights on fabric selection and how material choice dramatically affects the final drape and appearance of the design. You'll understand why ponte creates the perfect structure for this particular style, and learn what adjustments to make for different fabric types. Join me for this comprehensive construction demonstration that bridges the gap between pattern and finished garment. Together, we'll create a dress that looks sophisticated and expensive while using remarkably straightforward techniques. By the end, you'll have all the knowledge needed to make your own Paula dress, a versatile piece that can transition effortlessly from casual to elegant depending on fabric choice and styling.